Ever wonder how your body knows what to do, when to do it, and how? It's not just random, it's all about your body's intelligence. Welcome to a journey of discovery, an exploration into the awe-inspiring intelligence that resides within each and every one of us. It's a world that operates seamlessly, and yet it's one we often take for granted. It's the intriguing intelligence of our bodies. Picture this: your body, an intricate network of organs, each functioning independently, yet in perfect harmony. It's a symphony of biological processes, a ballet of cells and tissues, all orchestrated without any conscious command from you. It's the magic of our body's intelligence. Now let's ponder for a moment on the organs that keep us going. Our brain, the mastermind, the hub of our thoughts, emotions, and actions. It's a marvel of nature, a testament to the power of evolution, and it's operating right here, right now within you. Then there's the heart, the ever-beating drum that sets the rhythm of our lives. It's a tireless workhorse, pumping blood tirelessly around our bodies, fueling our every move. Consider our lungs, the silent sentinels that draw life-giving oxygen from the air and expel waste with each breath. They're the guardians of our vitality, the gatekeepers of our energy. Reflect on our liver, the detoxifier, the purifier. It's a biochemical factory, tirelessly filtering our blood, ensuring we remain healthy and strong. And finally, our kidneys, the diligent custodians of our internal balance. They regulate our water and electrolyte levels, ensuring we remain hydrated and our bodies function optimally. Each of these organs, every single one, operates with a level of intelligence that is nothing short of phenomenal. It's a world within a world, a universe within each of us, and it's a testament to the incredible power and sophistication of nature. So, ready to discover the genius within you? Buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of our body's intelligence. The brain, the command center of our bodies. It not only controls our thoughts and emotions, but it also manages every single function of our organs. Imagine a bustling city where information zips around like cars on a freeway. That's our brain, a complex network of about 100 billion neurons. In this city, neurons are the star players. They are the primary cells of the brain, sending and receiving messages in the form of electrical impulses. These impulses are like the cars on our freeway, carrying information from one place to another. This communication between neurons allows the brain to regulate everything from our heart rate to the sensation of touch. Now imagine if this city could change its roadways based on traffic patterns, building new routes when needed, and removing ones that are no longer in use. That's exactly what our brain does. This incredible ability is called neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's way of adapting to new experiences, learning, and even recovering from injuries. It's the brain's way of ensuring that it's always working at peak efficiency. When we learn something new, our brain builds new connections between neurons. And when we stop using certain skills, the connections weaken or disappear, just like unused roads in a city. Neuroplasticity is what allows us to learn new languages, acquire new skills, and adapt to new environments. It allows us to grow, change, and evolve. It's why we can recover from brain injuries and why we can keep learning and growing, no matter our age. Indeed, the brain is a remarkable organ, ceaselessly working to keep us functioning at our best. It's a city that never sleeps, always adapting, always learning. It's the control center, the mastermind behind everything we do. And it's one of the many reasons why our bodies, and we as individuals, are truly extraordinary. Next up is the heart, the powerful organ that tirelessly pumps blood throughout our bodies. The heart, often seen as a symbol of love and emotion, is a remarkable organ that holds a vital role in our survival. Its primary function? It's the engine that drives the circulatory system, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell in our bodies, every minute of every day. Imagine if you had to manually deliver all the mail in a bustling city, day in and day out. That's essentially what your heart does, but instead of mail, it's delivering life-sustaining oxygen and nutrients. It's a tireless worker, never taking a break, continuously keeping the lifeblood of our bodies flowing. The heart's rhythm, the steady lub-dub we're all familiar with, isn't just a monotonous beat. It's a dynamic symphony that adjusts itself based on our physical and emotional states. When we're resting, it beats slower, conserving energy. But the moment we start to move, it speeds up, ensuring our muscles have the oxygen they need to function. And it's not just physical activities that affect our heart's rhythm. Ever noticed how your heart races when you're excited or anxious? That's because our heart is intimately tied to our emotions. In moments of stress or fear, it pumps faster, priming our bodies for action. In moments of calm and relaxation, it slows down, helping us unwind. The heart is also an incredible self-regulator. It monitors the levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide in our blood and adjusts its speed to maintain the perfect balance. Too much carbon dioxide, it'll beat faster to get rid of it. Not enough oxygen, it'll slow down to conserve what's there. The heart also communicates with the brain, sending signals about how the body is feeling. It's a two-way conversation that affects our mood, our decisions, and ultimately, our overall health. So it's more than just a pump. It's a dynamic, responsive, and intelligent organ that's constantly adapting to our needs, our environment, and our emotions. It's the silent hero in our bodies, working behind the scenes, ensuring we can live, love, laugh, and learn. The heart, a truly dynamic organ, pumping life throughout our bodies. Now let's turn our attention to the lungs, our body's lifelines. Imagine a pair of bellows, steadily pumping, tirelessly ensuring the fire stays alive. That's a rough approximation of what our lungs do for us every moment of our lives. They are responsible for the vital exchange of gases that keeps us alive, working in harmony with the rest of our body in a beautifully orchestrated symphony of life. Our lungs are a marvel of engineering. As we breathe in, air is funneled down our throat through the windpipe and into the lungs. Here it enters a vast network of tiny air sacs, known as alveoli. There are around 300 million of these little guys in our lungs, and they have a crucial job. They are the stage for an incredible exchange. Oxygen from the air we breathe passes through the thin walls of the alveoli and into the bloodstream. From here, it's carried around the body, providing the vital fuel our cells need to function. Moving on to the liver, our body's main detoxifier. This powerhouse organ, tucked away in the right upper quadrant of our abdomen, is a true multitasker, performing over 500 functions that are vital to our survival. Imagine the liver as a bustling city, with millions of cells working tirelessly around the clock. Its primary role is to filter out toxins from our blood. Every minute, about 1.5 liters of blood pass through the liver, where harmful substances like alcohol and drugs are broken down and rendered harmless. It's like the city's waste management system, effectively sorting and eliminating waste to keep the city clean and functioning. But that's not all. The liver also plays a crucial role in our digestive system. It produces bile, a substance that helps break down fats in our food. Picture the bile as a team of dedicated workers, breaking down large, complex tasks into smaller, manageable ones. This process enables us to extract the nutrients we need from our food and convert them into energy. Another important function of the liver is to regulate our glucose levels. After a meal, when our blood sugar levels rise, the liver acts like a storage facility, storing the excess glucose for later use. And when our blood sugar levels drop, the liver breaks down the stored glucose and releases it back into the bloodstream. It's like a power plant, storing energy when there's an abundance and releasing it when there's a shortage. But the liver is not just a silent worker. It communicates with other organs, sending out signals when it's damaged or under stress. This ability to sense and respond to changes makes the liver an intelligent organ, capable of adapting to our body's needs. And yet, despite its crucial role, the liver is often overlooked. We rarely think about it unless something goes wrong. But day in and day out, our liver is there, quietly doing its job, keeping us healthy and alive. Our liver, the unsung hero, constantly cleansing and nourishing our bodies. Lastly, we have the kidneys, our body's efficient filters. These fist-sized powerhouses sit quietly in the lower back, working round the clock to keep our bodies in tip-top shape. But how, you might ask? Well, their primary role is to filter waste products from the blood. They do this with an impressive efficiency, cleaning out an astounding 180 liters of blood every single day. That's like filtering the water in an entire bathtub 3 times over. But that's not all. The kidneys also have the crucial task of maintaining our electrolyte balance. Now I know what you're thinking. Electrolytes, aren't those the things in sports drinks? Well, you're not wrong. Electrolytes are minerals such as potassium, sodium, and calcium that carry an electric charge. They're vital for many bodily functions like muscle contractions, pH balance, and even nerve signaling. Our kidneys regulate these electrolytes, making sure we have just the right amount to keep our bodies functioning smoothly. Now let's not forget about blood pressure. Our kidneys have a significant role in regulating this too. They do this by controlling the amount of fluid that leaves the body in urine. If there's too much fluid in the body, blood pressure rises. If there's too little, it falls. So by adjusting the amount of fluid that's excreted, our kidneys help keep our blood pressure in check. They also produce a hormone called renin, which works with the adrenal gland to regulate blood pressure. It's a bit like a biological thermostat, adjusting the body's systems to maintain the optimal blood pressure level. So, whether it's cleaning our blood, balancing our electrolytes, or controlling our blood pressure, our kidneys are always on duty. They're there, working tirelessly, maintaining the delicate balance that is so essential for our health and well-being. Our kidneys, diligently working to keep our internal environment clean and balanced. Next time you take a moment to appreciate your body, remember to give a shout out to these unsung heroes. They might just be the hardest working organs in your body. So we've journeyed through the body, unveiling the intelligence of each organ. We've discovered the wonders of our bodies, a magnificent symphony of intelligent design and harmonious function. Starting with the brain, we uncovered its role as the master conductor, orchestrating a multitude of tasks, from our movements to our thoughts, dreams, and emotions. It's our command center, sending signals and instructions to every part of our body and interpreting the information it receives in return. Then we turn to the heart, a tireless workhorse rhythmically pumping life-giving blood around our bodies. We learned how it communicates with the brain, responding to our emotions and lifestyle choices, and continually adapting to meet our body's needs. Moving on, we delved into the lungs, our personal air purifiers, tirelessly exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide with every breath. We explored their incredible ability to increase capacity when needed, like during exercise, and their role in maintaining our body's pH balance. Next, we visited the liver, the body's chemical processing plant. We learned how it filters our blood, detoxifies harmful substances, and manufactures essential proteins and hormones. We saw how it stores energy for later use and helps regulate our metabolism. Finally, we explored the kidneys, our body's diligent waste managers. We discovered their role in filtering our blood, removing waste products and excess fluids, and how they help regulate our blood pressure and electrolyte balance. In each organ, we found a unique intelligence, a specialized function, yet they all work together in harmony, communicating and coordinating their efforts to keep us alive and well. They react to internal and external changes, adapt to our body's needs, and constantly strive to maintain balance, or homeostasis. Our bodies are indeed a marvel of intelligence, a symphony of autonomous yet harmonized functions. Remember, every breath you take, every beat of your heart, is a testament to the genius within you.